Okay, wait. Don't use the session. Wait for me. All of you, my screen visible?
No, ma'am.
Okay, wait. 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes. Okay, now it is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sorry for inconvenience. By mistake, my PC is shut down. Okay, we have completed our second year. We come in third year BTech. Okay, we start our first session, triple PE pattern. Okay, what is our mission and vision? Tell me what is your idea behind this diagram. Anybody tell me what is this diagram? Anybody tell me what is this diagram? Yes. Anybody idea behind it? Yes. Yes. Okay. Our vision and institute and department. Okay. They're having the vision and mission in our separate department level. Okay. In computer science, science different, and electronic telecommunication science different. Okay, we have in computer science engineering, we having the separate vision and mission. Okay, institute level vision. What is the institute level vision? To be internationally recognized among the best institute in India for excellence in technical education. Okay, next, department level vision. What is it? To be nationally recognized our excellence education among by research in field of computer science engineering. Okay, among the best. Okay, and what is our mission? To be impart value added technical education. Okay, increase our excellence research field, lab skill, our improvement, our research field, lab skill, technology, and personal search with respect a relationship among the stakeholders. What is stakeholder? Anybody tell me what is mean by stakeholder? Yes, stakeholder. Yes. Anybody tell me what is a stakeholder? Yes. Pillar. Okay. Department level. To impart value added technical and applied research oriented education. Okay. And including the lab skill oriented to industry and emphasize on the human value. Okay. Next one, program objective. What is our computer science? You have completed your Bachelor of Technology in Computer Science Engineering. Then how what is you gain in program educational objective? Apply computer science domain specific knowledge in the related industry. Means your field, computer science engineering. Okay. Next one, you demonstrate leadership quality, ethics. Ethics. What is mean by ethics? Anybody tell me in Marathi meaning? It Marathi meaning. Tell me Marathi meaning of ethics. Yes. Yes. Anybody tell me Marathi meaning? Mulya. Okay. Yes. Ethics means mulya. Project management, finance management, and related attributes of employees and employers. Okay. And next one, engage lifelong learning in professional advance and develop innovative solutions. Means innovative ideas in behind it computer science engineering field. Okay. Next, fourth one PO, demonstrate strong communication skills. Let's remember it. Most important, your communication skill and ability to function effectively as an individual part. Okay. Next one, POs. How to get? You have graduated in computer science engineering. What you get? What is your output? In engineering knowledge, you have get it first engineering knowledge, mathematics, science, engineering, fundamental. Yes. And next one, complex engineering problem. Yes. Next one, problem analysis. You have to solve, identify research literature, analyze. You have able to solve any problem related to computer science engineering. Okay. Next, third one, design development of solution. Okay. Design solution, complex engineering problem. Yes. I am telling you short form because already we have know it. What is POs? POs. Yes. Yes. Anybody tell me what? Yes. A, is it okay to tell you short form of POs? POs. Yes. Tell me. Give me reply, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Our fourth PO, conduct investigation and complex problem. Okay. Means research based knowledge. Means what is your doing paper publication and anything experiment analysis. You are able to solve any complex problem related to your project phase. Okay. And next one, modern tools usage. Okay. What is a modern tool usage? You have solved resource modern engineering attitude like it. For example, you have learned data science nowadays. Okay. And next one, Google Colab. Google Colab is also one of modern tool. Okay. Next one, the engineering and society. Uh, our engineer, we are all engineers. Okay. With for our engineer skill with help of our society. Okay. Everybody remember our engineers, our our knowledge with help of our knowledge with all our society useful. Okay. Next one, environment sustainable. Yes. Ethics. Ethics means we have to responsible norms of in engineering and practice and individual and teamwork. All of you learn about individual and teamwork. All of you know about how to work in project. Okay. How to leadership quality build it. What is a team member responsibility? All of you know. Okay. Next one, communication. If communication is the most important part in our computer science engineering. Okay. Next one, project management. Yes. Next one, lifelong learning. All of you remember it. Every day in computer science changes many times. Within one day, within 1 minute, 1 minute, we have learned every time new things. Okay, remember that. Okay, yes, all of you learn it because I have to learn lifelong learning. New things happening in market. I was able to learn this skill in nowadays. Okay. Next one, PSO, specific program specific outcome. All of you learn first point, microprocessor, computer organization. Yes, operating system now in for semester first, application software. Yes, and next one, all of you learn about system programming, web technology, and big data. Third, adapt application emerging field of computer science. Okay, all three specific outcomes you are able to learn. Okay, yes. Next one, I am here for you Python programming. Okay, it is a nowadays very much popular language. Okay, everybody remember it. It is most popular language. Somehow, some student have audio is on. Please off your audio. Yes. Some students audio on. Please off your audio. Yes. Please off your audio. Okay. Yes. I am here for this semester Python programming. Wait for a minute. 5 minutes. Wait for 5 minutes. Wait for 5 minutes. Okay. Me audible? Me audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Nowadays, Python programming is a grooming language. Okay. In first, JavaScript and Java. Next language is Python programming. And nowadays, so many popular language, and nowadays within a one day having changes in your version also. Okay. In nowadays 3.9 in version. Okay. All of you install 3.8 because of your help, because of all libraries and all packages install in 3.8. All of you install 3.8. I am telling you how to install Python programming in your computer. Listen carefully. I am begin with basic to advanced. Okay. I am telling in first day and first lecture. Anybody having any single one problem in simple one also, tell me right now. Okay. I will start the semester. Okay. I am handling for you Python programming. We have start with basic to advanced. ओके. लक्षात ठेवा. आय एम टेलिंग इन मराठी. लक्षात ठेवा ऑल ऑफ यू. मी पायथॉन बेसिक पासून ऍडव्हान्स लेवल पर्यंत नेणार आहे. तुम्हाला ऑल पॅकेजेस, हाऊ टू हँडल पॅकेजेस, pandas, numpy, data science already you are learning, and those students don't know Python programming, also those students I am telling you, I am going to basic to advanced. Anyone having single one problem also, stop me and tell me your problem, any question in your Python programming. Okay, all of you clear? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. We start the Python programming. Our teaching scheme is lecture is 2 hours, practical is 2 hours. Okay. And examination scheme, ISC based on 25 marks. ICA having the higher rank certification. Okay. In 3 months, complete the hacker rank certification. All of you listen carefully. All of you listen carefully. Hacker rank certification must for your ICA. ICA is 25 marks. I am giving you time to 3 months. Complete the hacker rank certification in Python programming. Okay. Everybody knows about hacker rank? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. ICA marks depend on your hacker rank certification. If you not completed hacker rank certification, is it okay? But you completed ICA for hacker rank certification. Okay. And PO for 50 marks. Okay. Next one, about title of the subject, about central idea of subject, and importance of the subject in the engineering field. All of you know about how it is important in nowadays. I'm not tell you what is the important in Python programming. If you are Python developer, you be able to machine learning, you be able to AI learn AI. Next one, we have able to design the project in data science. Yes, you have completed Python developer, then you have master in three technology. Yes, I am repeatedly tell you because of it is the most important subject. You have to able to do it the program in Python. Okay. Yes. And what is the, you have learned in Python programming, then what is the outcome of this subject? What we able to do? Okay. Next one, Python script using procedure and object oriented approach. Next one, ability to use Python standard library. Means standard library means what? Pandas, NumPy, Keras. Yes. And next one, provide solution given problem. Test, debug the Python script for given program. Okay. This is our the first PPE pattern. Anybody having doubt? Yes. Yes, anybody having the doubt? Yes?
No, madam.
Okay.
Oh, ma'am.
Okay. We go to our syllabus. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everybody see the Python, my slide? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We going to our syllabus in semester first Python programming. Okay. Anybody know about Python diagram? Yes. It is so much attractive diagram in nowadays. Yes. And then our go to our syllabus. Our first point is first unit is introduction to Python. Yes. Under this unit we have learned introduction to Python interpreter, program execution, and next one execution model variation. Next one the interactive prompt and system command lines, and next one syntactic and semantic, and what is the difference between Python 2.x and Python 3.x. Everybody know about Python 3, but you have installed a Python 3, then everybody know about Python 2.7 version. Yes, it is a stable version. Okay, Python 2 and Python 3. What is the difference in Python 2 and Python 3? Yes. Next one, our unit number 2, introduction to Python programming construct. Okay, we are going to discuss in this unit data type, variable, collection data type, control structure, loop function, what is lambda, generator, exception handling, string handling, scope of variable, modules, packages, command line argument, built-in function, constant, type exception. Next one, unit number 3. It is our based on object-oriented programming. All of you know about classes. Under this unit, we have learned it classes, instances, object, method object, class, and instance of variable, attribute and method, inheritance and polymorphism. Okay, all of you learn about inheritance and polymorphism. Yes, in C++. Next one, unit number 4, in our standard library module. Yes, in this standard library module, package 1, common string operation, regular expression, operation, basic date and time type, general calendar related function, container, data type, efficient arrays, numeric values, dynamic type, creation and name for built-in type, solo and deep copy operation, mathematical function, programming module, file and directory access. Yes. Unit number 5, in Python standard library module package 2. In this module, we have complete based on your database. Yes, everybody, my voice is audible. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
yes. SQLite database. Yes. Next one, how to handle CSV file reading writing. For this CSV file reading writing, I am give you the Colab. Yes, Colab. I am using Colab for CSV file reading writing. What is Colab? I will tell you what is Colab in it's like a Jupyter notebook. Okay. And configuration, file parsing, logging, facility for Python, concurrent execution, thread-based parallelism, process-based parallelism, context variable, asynchronization IO. Okay. Next one, low-level networking interface, JSON encounter, and URL handling modules in HTTP module and HTTP protocol client. Okay. And next one, our unit number 6, they're having testing and debugging and profiling. Okay, they're having in this chapter we will learn testing outcome, unit test, in the Python, handling multiple exceptions, creating custom exceptions, debugging programs, unit testing, major execution, and time of small code, snipes, creation of virtual environment, and system specific parameters. Okay. And next one, function and profiling Python script. Okay. There are some test book. All of you go through this test book. Okay. I'm better way to go through go through our notes. Okay. Don't go through this test book. Okay. Learning Python Marklet 5 edition. Okay. I'm go through learning Python for Marklet. Okay. Next one, reference book. Okay. Yes. All of you know about our syllabus. I am telling in first and single one problem, one point in our lecture. Okay. Because you are learning.
Ma'am,
Yes.
voice is breaking.
Yes. Right now it is audible. Right now it is audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who's complete in internship? Tell me what is the point cover it in our internship. Yes. Anybody tell me? This syllabus and your internship syllabus are matched somewhere. Yes. Yes.
Ma'am, only basics of Python were covered and libraries such as NumPy,
Yes.
Matplotlib.
Yes. Matplot is used for graphics. How to design it? Yes, I know that. I will tell you how it is only basic. Also, I'm going to cover it and advanced also. Okay. SQL database. Yes, this part is also, and CSV reading writing file also. Okay. Those completed your internship and those not completed in internship, don't take any tension. We have going to cover all point in our Python programming. I am taking extra lecture also for you both division, because this is the most important language. Don't go through our only oral. I am telling you once again, don't go only oral. Go through your lifelong advantage in Python programming. You are having any single one question, ask me anytime. I am here to solve your doubt. Okay? Yes? Anybody remember? You have go to oral basis, don't any use in your future also, because they're having so many opening in nowadays Python developer, Java developer. Okay, I am telling reminder time so many time, because it is so many important language in nowadays. Okay, yes. Everybody know your syllabus. Yes. Anybody having doubt?
No, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Okay. First of all, we go through installation to Python. Okay. Then we go through our introductory part of Python. We have now go for unit number 1. First, we have go to introduction to Python. Next one, we have go to unit number 1. Okay. Yes. Yes, all of you install Python. Which version you install Python? Means which editor? Means Spider, and next one Eclipse and Sublime Test. And anybody install PyCharm? Yes. Anybody? Tell me which editor use?
PyCharm.
Python.
Yes. Okay. You have familiar with PyCharm? It's okay. I am using by default default editor. Okay. Uh, better to use PyCharm. It is okay. They're having so many editors nowadays. Okay. First of all, how to install Python in your system. First of all, I am tell you, they're having those students don't having laptop, install in mobile PyDroid. PyDroid, PYDRID. Okay, those they're having no any laptop, go through PyDroid app. Okay, I am compulsory give it the practical in every day in our they're having so many company having the coding round. Then I will tell you this statement also for you guys. Okay. Yes. I'm not cover all theory. I will go for practical basis. Yes. All of you install compulsory. Those student having not having the laptop, install PyDroid. It is compulsory for you. I will not get entertain any student don't having the laptop, don't having anything. Okay, install PyDroid. It is compulsory. Yes. Our next topic: how to install Python. Yes. Go through link www.python. Everybody, my screen is visible. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Go through www.python.org. Okay. Next one, Python 3.8. Download it 3.8. And next one, this is a default IDE Python 3.8. Okay. It is a cell. Okay. I will use this cell for your basic part, then go through PyCharm. Okay. Yes. Those don't having install Python, I will give you time for 10 minutes. Install it. Python programming, Python editor. They're having so any problem, tell me right now. Yes. Everybody remember it? Python.org. Go for www.python.org. Next one, download Python 3.8. Windows. Okay, they're having so many version. Okay, next one, default editor Python 3.8. Next one, they're having so many editors in nowadays. Spider also, PyCharm also, Visual Studio also, Sublime Test, and Google Colab. It is nowadays like a Jupyter notebook. Okay, in Cloud 3. Anaconda 3. Anaconda 3, it is a cloud platform. Okay. You have installed, launched the Jupyter notebook also and Spider also. Okay. Yes. I'll tell you practical how to download Python. Yes. Or you can download it. Tell me. Yes. Any student, give me reply. I heard this session only for interactive session. Yes. So interactive.
Ma'am, we will download.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Any student having problem it for download, I will tell you demo for it. How to download it. Yes. मी डेमो करून दाखवू का? Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
I have installed the latest version of Python. Is it any problem?
3.9.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello. What is your name?
Gorakshanath Cheda.
Yes. I will prefer to download 3.8 because you are doing image processing project or anything. They have not supported package in 3.9. Yes, it is okay. It is okay for you are doing the latest version. No problem. No any problem. But they're having the startup to install it. they're having somehow the procedure happening in 3.9. But 3.8 is a better version because of you are going to be 3.10 also having. But latest version you download it, oh, it's okay. But I will prefer to go through 3.8 because already all libraries and standard library working in 3.8. There having no any problem. Somehow to you go through image processing or anything, you are doing the project of face recognition and anything, they have not supported package in 3.9. I will also use it 3.9, but I will not go through 3.9. Better to use 3.8 because of so many problem nowadays happening in happening in latest version. Okay, latest version आहे available आहे, no any problem, but those packages is not supported. uh, those working is happening in 3.9 now. Okay, it is okay for 3.8. You learn it and install it. Okay, yes, Goraknath.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Yes, we have go through demo Python. Yes, and yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. My screen is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Python. Yes, python.org. Okay, go to, yes, Python 3.9.7. Yes, all of you install it 3.9. It is better in your choice. 3.8, I prefer it because of my system having 3.8. Yes, if it is okay for 3.9.7, it is okay. Yes, nowadays so many version happening here. All of you go for specific release. Yes, all of you go for it releasing version 3.7, 3.6, 3.9, 3.8. Yes, August 30, 2021. 3.8. Yes, it is also 3.8 is also latest version. Okay, yes, and 3.7, 3.6, and 3.7, 3.8, and next one 3.9. All of you go for it, and latest releasing date also having here July 20, July 13. Yes, and 2.7 it is a stable version. Okay, yes, all of you go for it. They're having so many versions. Yes, install it, download it, your download your PC, download Python 3.9.7, and yes, looking for Python 2.7 is a specific release, pre-release version. Okay, all of you go for it. Okay, yes, yes, anybody having doubt?
Ma'am, which one you prefer?
3.8. I prefer
In that 3.8 in that
3.8 version is installed my PC. Then I have sitting different PC. Then 3.9 version now. There because of so many times having changing the version. Okay, I will prefer 3.8 because of my PC already installed it, and now I will working in my project already install it 3.8. That's why I am prefer 3.8. Okay, all of you install 3.9, no any issue because you have work in pandas, keras, and any library, go for Jupyter Notebook because it is preferred, okay, and easy to install, okay. And Colab is also one editor like Jupyter Notebook, okay. They're having already supported libraries, pandas, numpy, keras, and matplotlib. Yes, and you have doing the project and image processing Python, then I will prefer to go to Colab. Yes, yes, may audible? Yes, yes, may audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Yes.
Yes. I will prefer to go for your, like now you are going to project. You have done it project in third year. I will prepare you, go through Colab and do it the project in Python. Okay. Any image processing or anything you have done it in data science. Okay. Those students those students not install in Python programming. Install it first step. Go to Google python.org. They're having so many version in nowadays. Okay. Install latest version. I will prefer in latest version in now 3.4. 3.8 is a version, latest version, my opinion. But is nowadays 3.9 also here. It is okay. Install it 3.9, no any problem. Because of I am doing the project in my project. That time those latest version not supported the uh, uh, libraries in some point somehow. Okay, that's why I will go for 3.8 or 3.7. It is better because already uh, Python version install it in 3.8, 3.6, 3.7. Okay, it is completed, but 3.9 is also started working for it. Okay, yes, yes, yes. All of you install Python so editor. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, yes. I will don't know your name. Please introduce yourself within the 10 minutes. Five or 5 or 6 students. Tell me your name because I don't know any student in TY A and TY B. Okay. Tell me your name. And those students not install in your laptop or your mobile Python editor. Install it. I will give you time 10 minutes, and then I will ask you any student to share your screen and show me your Python editor. That time you able to share your screen. Okay, don't give me any result. They take it 5 minutes, 10 minutes for you. Yes, any student tell you and your name because I don't know your batch right now in first time. Yes, anybody interested to tell your name? Only name because I know for no student. That's fine.
Ma'am, I'm Vedangi Bhujam.
Yes, okay. Good one,
Ma'am,
Vedangi.
Sanket Kundveri.
Okay, good one. Next one.
Ma'am, I am Gorakshnath Cheda.
Yes, good one. Yes, second, fourth.
I am Meenakshi Avsare.
Meenakshi
Avsare.
Avsare. Okay. Next one, fifth. Fifth one.
I am Vishakha Savarkar. Yes.
Okay, Vishakha. Yes, I know for your icon committee member. Yes, Vedangi, good one. Okay, I will go for your batch for in this semester Python programming. Anybody having doubt in this topic? We have covered it right now. Syllabus coverage and installation step of Python. Yes. Anybody having problem? I am so fast or so slow. Also tell me. Yes. Yes. Anybody reply, please. I will complete syllabus in fast way because I have go for installation step also. That's why I'm going to fast. Those I will complete it in our going through our syllabus in unit number 1, unit number 2. Then I will go for slow. Okay, I will not go fast. Okay, I will cover only one point in one session because you know it your syllabus and I will also know it for my syllabus. I will go slowly because you will prefer it and I will completely do it in practical basis. I will tell you first session and first point. I will go for complete practical. I will not go through theoretical part completely. I will go for practical. Okay, is it okay for you? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. And yes, I will go going to HackerRank certification. There are any student having problem in a HackerRank certification. I'm so slow and so fast. Today's session is so fast. I know that, but I will go for slowly in our next session. Okay, we will start our syllabus. Okay. Yes. Anybody tell me what is Python programming? Yes, any student? Give me the reply. What is you learn it in internship? Yes. Anybody knows our in our Python programming book there are a snake diagram. Yes, snake diagram. Snake diagram. What is snake diagram? Yes. Anybody know about Python programming book? Yes. Give me the yes. Yes, guys. Please give me reply. I'm waiting for you. Yes. Uh, yes. Python book. Python book for beginners. Yes. What is it? Everybody see this book? Yes. What is it? Yes. Anybody tell me the history of Python? Yes. Why scientists give the Python? Why scientists give the name of Python programming? Okay. Dennis Van Rossum invented Python programming. Why give the name of Python? Yes. Scientists. Yes. Your voice is breaking. Yes.
Because he was inspired by Monty Python's Flying Circus, a comic series.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay. Very good. What is your name? And then you tell your answer first. Give your name and then tell your answer. Okay. Please call your name and then tell your answer. Then tell you answer. Okay. It is okay. Yes. Uh, Guido
Yes,
van Rossum.
ma'am.
Okay, your voice is breaking. It is okay. Yes. Guido van Rossum invented Python programming. See, he saw the famous TV show in BBC channel. Yes, BBC channel saw the famous show, it TV show. Okay, Monty Python Flying Circus. Okay, Monty Python Flying Circus. Then he decided to give this language name as Python. Okay, okay, yes, understood everybody. It is a history of a Python because he decided what is give the name of the this language. I will learn it all C, C++, C, Java. It is so much large, vast coding. Yes, but Python having so many different language. Okay, only you know it concept of object oriented programming, then you able to solve any problem in Python programming. Okay, yes, I will tell you history in Python. Python history, it is Guido van Rossum invented Python programming. In which year I will not remember it right now. Which year, Vedangi? Hello, hello, Vedangi. Hello.
Hello.
Hello,
Yes, ma'am.
Vedant. Yes. In which year invented in Python programming?
1991.
Yes. 1991 invented Python programming. And then Guido van Rossum saw the famous comedy show. Okay. Monty Python Flying Circus. Then he decided to give the easy name for this language. He gave the name of Python programming. Okay, I saw the figure. It is a famous snake for in this in which country? I don't know the name of this country. It is a famous snake for this country. Okay, it's a name like a python. Okay, yes, snake name. And our country not happening Python programming invited in another country. Don't know the name, but this language invited in another country in USA, Kera. Don't know the name of the country. Uh, Anybody know about country name? Yes. In which country invited? USA, UK, Kingdom, UK Kingdom. Yes. In this country invited Python programming. Okay. And yes, in our session is so many interactive session in. Yes. Anybody tell your experience in internship? Yes. How was your internship? Yes. We go for our introduction to Python. We will stop here because 1 hour in left and so many fast. Our syllabus is covered. But we go for introduction to Python. I will tell you history. Okay. Guido van Rossum invited Python programming in 1991. Okay. And he decided to give the name of easy. Then he decided to give the name of Python programming. Okay. Yes, we go for our introduction to Python.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Share your screen. Anybody download the Python programming? Share your screen. Yes, share your screen, please. Because those students having the problem of Python installation, then I will here to solve your problem. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Anybody here to share your screen? Please share your screen. Don't hesitate and don't fear it also. I am here to solve your problem. Yes, anybody share your screen? Yes, there are no any laptop. Those students tell me any problem, put to Pydroid. Pydroid. Yes, installation of Pydroid. तुम्ही काहीतरी बोलला तर मी प्रॉब्लेमचं सोल्युशन काढू शकते ना. येस और नो. काहीतरी बोला. काहीतरी समथिंग स्पीक. Vedangi is so many active students, but those students don't speak right now. Those students speak it fast because I will here to solve your problem. Anybody having problem to Python mobile? I will
No, ma'am. We have downloaded.
Okay. All A and B division downloaded. Python programming software application. Yes. Okay, we go for introduction to Python. Okay, I will not give the history. I will orally tell you history in Python. Yes, I will not tell you theoretically, but orally I will give you the history of Python programming. Okay, yes. Okay, yes. What is the Python? Okay, yes. Anybody tell me what is the Python? Why it is general purpose and high level? General purpose means what? Already you know it. General purpose languages: C, C++, Java. Yes. What is general purpose means? uh, we have to install Python any software, any operating system: Linux, Mac OS, means Ubuntu, Linux, Ubuntu also, Linux also, Windows also. Okay, we have prepared Windows, prefer it first way. The general purpose. And what is high level language? Means we have to go with the code of high level language and go with the machine level, convert into machine level language. Okay, means high level. And it is nowadays where use it's for many popular application is here. In it can be used for Python. Console application also develop, desktop application, mobile application nowadays not so many popular mobile app, and web application go for Django. Okay, and so many popular three languages, three technology. Use it: machine Python, prepare Python, machine learning, IoT, data science. Okay. Next one, there are so many popular app in nowadays with the help of Python: Instagram, Google, Dropbox. Dropbox is outdated, no any uses. But in nowadays, Dropbox also here, Instagram, so many popular. YouTube also here, Google. Okay, research it. Yes. Anybody tell me? You tell me the what is Python? Yes, and then I will tell you the what is mean by Python programming. Yes. Yes. Anybody tell me what is mean by Python? Why it is different for C, C++, Java, and Java? Yes. What is different in Python? Why it is so much popular in nowadays? Why it is so much popular? Because they're having so many easy syntax. Yes. Yes. Easy syntax also. Yes, anybody tell me what is Python? Yes, it is very simple, straightforward syntax, and there are no any option for compiler. Directly run it. Okay, we have type it print hello and run it automatically. Yes, they're having no any option for compiler. Yes, they're having no any option for compiler. Okay, next one Python for case sensitive, and next one most important part is object oriented language. They're having the concept of abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance in covered by object oriented language. Okay, next one dynamically typed. Yes, and what is indentation? It is so many important part in indentation. We are using indentation in Python programming. What is indentation? We have type colon type. Okay, because of space, having the pace of Python programming, then you get it error. Don't run it the Python any program. Okay, in place of curly braces. Indentation, I will tell you what is indentation also. Okay, and use variable without declaration. We have don't any declaration of variable. We have directly use variable. Okay, a is equal to 2 and run it. Okay, run it. Simple. You go it addition program. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 3, and a plus b go through your result will be declared. And interpreted language. What is interpreted language? Yes, anybody tell me what is mean by interpreted language? Means they're having two parts in our programming language: compiler and interpreter. And what is mean by interpreted language? Our in Python programming having interpreted language. Okay, means interpreter language. They're having no any option for compiler. Directly we run it the program in our system. Okay, okay. It is very simple, straightforward syntax. Yes. Programming language, Python is case sensitive. Yes. Next one, object oriented language. Dynamically typed means indentation. Indentation place of curly braces. Means all of you learn about C, C++, opening bracket, curly bracket. There having no any option in Python. We have directly used. But indentation means colon. I will tell you what is meant by indentation. Yes, use variable without declaration. Means we have don't need to declare any variable in before use it. Okay, in C++, we have declared it first variable and then use. Yes, but Python programming don't need to declare variable. We have directly use it in Python programming. Okay, next one, interpreted language means compiler language is so many. Okay, C++. Okay, next one, interpreted language means Python is an interpreter language. We are directly so this is some student having the audio on. Please off your audio. Please off your audio. Some student having the audio off on. Please off your audio. Yes, off your audio, please. Yes, off your audio, please. Off your audio, please. Off your audio, please. Yes, yes, yes. It is very simple, straightforward. Python is case sensitive and it is object oriented language. Yes, object oriented language is a four pillar. Okay, abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, inheritance. Okay, Next one, dynamically type indentation. Yes, uses curly braces. Next one, use variable without declaration. Then we have don't need to declare any variable to use it any without use it. We have declare it and run it. Okay, and interpreter language means it is a runtime language. Okay. Next one, feature. Somehow to please off your audio, please. Please off your audio. Anyone having problem? Tell me. Anybody having the problem? Tell me. Yes. But then why on your audio? Please off your audio, please. Yes. Yes. Features. They're having so many features. In most important feature is a last standard library. Okay. Yes. We have go to first, and next we go through first, second, third. Okay. All of you screen is visible. It is interactive diagram. Yes. Is it interactive diagram? Yes. Yes. High level language. Go for feature purpose. Features in Python. We go for Vedangi. Go for next point, or wait for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. See how to break. You want to break for 10 minutes, 5 minutes. Tell me. Yes, Vedangi, sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. You want break for 5 minutes?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Anybody student want break? Vedanti don't want break. Another student want to break for 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Tell
No,
me.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, we want to break, ma'am.
Your voice is breaking. Wait for 5 minutes. Don't leave the session. Wait for 5 minutes. I will come within the 5 minutes. Okay. Wait for 5 minutes. Okay. We will start the session. Yes. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. All of you know about the features of Python programming. Okay. What is the feature first? It is high level language. Means we write it some code, then we go for converted into machine language code, and then we learn it. We have go through, run it, and give the output. Okay. It is high level language. Okay. And next one, simple. What is simple? Means coding are so much simple. In for example, in C language, okay, everybody know about C language and hello world program. Okay, what is the step of C language? Write the code of hello world, print it hello world program. Yes, anybody tell me? Yes. Void main first include the libraries, hash include studio.h, next hash conio.h, hash include conio.h. Yes. Next one, write it word void main, and then open it bracket, write it printf statement, hello world. Next one, get ch, and next closing bracket. Yes. But in Python programming, don't need to add any library. Write it print hello world. Okay, means it is very simple. Okay, and next one, open source. There it is not any pay for software download. Okay, it is open source, anybody can download it, and anybody install it and run it and learn it Python programming. Okay, next one, GUI programming. It is based on your project. Okay, next one, interpreted. Interpreter language, all of you know about programming language, two part, compiler and interpreter. Okay, and Python programming is our interpreter language, means runtime language. Okay, next one, expressive language. Okay, next one, object oriented. Object oriented, all of you know about four four pillars of C++: abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism, and inheritance. Yes, except Vedanki. Anybody tell me the definition of abstraction, polymorphism, and inheritance? Yes, वेदांगी सोडून मला abstraction, encapsulation, and inheritance. Any four pillars. Tell me any one state, any one definition. Tell me any one state definition. Inheritance is some. Hello.
Abstraction refers to the hiding of the data.
Yes, yes, encapsulation. Okay, very good, very good. What is your name?
Chinmay.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Chinmay Halsik.
Yes, very good, Chinmay. Very good. Yes. Everybody remember all concept in object oriented programming. Okay, abstraction, encapsulation, inheritance, because whole Python programming depend on your object oriented programming. Okay, don't need to whole programming understood, but it is must to clearly idea of object oriented. Okay, miss large standard library, all of you know about Python, pandas, numpy, matlab. Okay, they're having so many libraries. Okay, in our large standard library in Python. Okay, study it in we have go to first step, next step we have go for large standard library, first step onwards. Okay, yes. Next one, application. Means which application we learn, we have used it Python programming. Okay, most in nowadays most of the researchers and most of the student do it the program project application development in your Python, use it machine learning. Okay, it is the most grooming point. Next, data science. And next one, image processing. Okay, those students go for research field. So many students use it image processing. Okay, yes. Uh, and next one, game development, business application, desktop GUI application. Next one, computer science education. Okay, yes, they're having so many application. I will prepare only 4 or 5 you. It is important for you for data science, machine learning, and computer vision mission image processing. Okay, yes, all of you clear? Yes, application.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and yes, I will personally prefer go for first machine learning and then go for data science. Okay, data science is a huge technology. You have learned first machine learning, master in machine learning. Don't go for don't go for any interviewer and any programmer. Don't hesitate to grasp you. Okay, hire you. Okay, machine learning having so many opening. You have learned machine learning application. Don't any hesitate. Okay, data science is a part. Machine learning also it's a part of data science. Okay, yes, understood. In this semester having don't having the part of AI. Yes, in next semester having the subject of AI, artificial intelligence. Okay, and then artificial intelligence part of machine learning, data science, and deep learning. Okay, data science has a huge part, but you learn it first machine learning concept freely. I am tell you freely because of your student. Those students not go for internship, or those students go for internship, it is better, no any doubt. Data science is also part of the machine learning easy to you for learning purpose. Okay, तुम्ही डेटा सायन्सचा पार्ट शिकला तर मशीन लर्निंग तुम्हाला सोपं जाईल. ओके, yes, understood. All application, web development first, next second one image processing, machine learning, next third fourth point computer science education, data science, business application, next one game development, UI application. Yes, yes, anybody having problem in application? And yes, web development use Django, Python having the Django also. Okay, for use Django for web development. Okay, yes. Why to learn Python? Yes, why to all developer, and why we learn it? Anybody tell me? Yes, yes. Anybody tell me why to learn Python? They're having so many languages: C, C++, Java. And why compare all these languages, Python are so many popular? Yes, anybody tell me? Yes, Vedangi, Gorak, sorry for it. What is your name? Vishakha.
Ma'am,
Vishakha
it is
Shah.
very similar to human language, so it is simple to understand and
Yes, yes,
apply.
very good, very good, very good, very good. Why it is developed? Because C, C++, Java. C is a procedural language. Okay, it is a vast coding. C++ also having the vast coding. Java also having the vast coding, but is a developer language. Okay, Java prefer it first because in this semester having the Java language, you prefer it Java and Python in similar way because it is two most important language in your future purpose. Okay, yes, Java also having the vast coding. Python is a human build. Okay, there have been so many simple syntax also we have learned easily. Okay, and next second advantage is it is libraries, and they're having built-in modules. Okay, Python comes in extensive collection in third-party resource, means they're having so many collection of libraries and languages. Okay, with this Python language, with help of Python language, we have developed with we have developed many technology. We have used many technology like machine learning, AI, next one IoT, next one data science. Yes, and then last variety of tasks like desktop application we have developed, network programming also developed, game app programming also developed. But right now mobile development nowadays don't know prefer mobile development. I I will prefer network programming also, game programming also. Yes, and next one cross platform. You have installed it any operating system, Mac OS, Linux, Ubuntu. Okay, it is means general purpose language. Okay, you have installed in Linux also, Ubuntu also, Mac OS also. Okay, yes, yes. Anybody having problem? Have Vedanki, Vishakha, Gorak. Sorry for your name. Tell me your roll number. Gor. Sorry, not remember your name.
We can say Sheza.
Okay. Our network. Why today I'm having so many problem in networking here? Not happening in why it's happening, don't know because of. Okay, wait for a minute. We'll go for our slide. Okay, we are presenting here our first slide. Okay, all of you, my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why today is there so many problem happening in my lecture because of I will take lecture before in IWT. That time not any problem, but right now in our first session and first lecture, I mean why those problem is happening in our side. Don't know. Sorry for inconvenience. Everybody, go for what is a Python? All of you clear? Yes. Anybody student having problem? Python pro? What is Python? Yes. Roll number 72, Vishakha, Bhushan, Rohit. Yes. Anybody having any problem in what is Python? In today's lecture, we will completely go for our syllabus. First point, no for our first point, triple P pattern. Next one, syllabus, content of syllabus. Next one, I will directly go for our what is Python programming. Next step, installation of Python, and next point, what is Python? Yes. And in next lecture, we will go for unit number 1, Python, introduction to Python. Yes. And what is indentation? I will cover it in practical session. Okay. What is mean by indentation, and what is, I will not give the any space, and what is the error occur in our program. I will also tell you this point also. Okay. Yes. Anybody having doubt? Yes, anybody? Vedangi, except Vedangi, I will able to eagerly waiting for all student to interact me. Okay. I am first time for you, your batch TYA and TYB. Yes. Anybody problem? I am so fast. I am so slow. Also tell me. Okay. Yes.
No, ma'am.
I am so fast or so slow. Yes. Yes. Anybody problem in hacker rank certification? And yes, tell me right now, because I will somehow to change. Okay. Those student having problem, you are having the 3-month time for complete hacker rank certification. For your advantage, I will tell you, for your betterment, for your learning, because of it is most hacker rank certification in nowadays. You have learned it, how to test cases, solve it. Hello. Yes.
What is your hacker rank? That certification I don't know, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. We go for it. Why these species are not happening like this? I will tell you what is hacker rank. Okay. Type it here, hacker rank. Okay. For your betterment, all developer, all student, refer it for your betterment. For prepare for interview, all of you know about the coding round in our industry. Teachers also having coding ground, Capgemini also having coding ground, and those students having to completed a hacker and practice the coding, then I will prepare it. Those students having is able to code any test case. Okay, they're having the hidden test case also, hacker rank. Okay, able to solve. Sign up, create your account for your Google, prefer it Google. Okay. Yes. Prefer it Google. I I am also having the hacker rank. Okay. Go for it. Prepare it. Okay. Okay. Setting. Pre-certification. Certified. Python continue preparation. Okay. There are these so many languages: C, Python, database, SQL, Java, artificial intelligence. Okay. And data structure. You go for data structure also. Okay. All of you go for data structure also, because bubble sort, quick sort, merge sort. Okay. Able to solve, because TCS asking the question in behind the data structure. All of you go for data structure, and next go for Python, next go for Java. Okay. For your betterment, for your betterment, for your inter betterment, upgrade your skill. Okay. I am tell you only for your skill. Okay. Yes, it is not compulsory, but do it. But you prefer it. Go for hacker rank. Yes. Yes. Yes, Chinmay. Roll number 73. Vedangi. Vishakha. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We will stop here. Half an hour for your question answer. Anybody having doubt in this session? We will cover the first triple PE pattern. Next, we will cover the syllabus, and next we go for introduction to Python, and next session we will go for actual syllabus. Actual syllabus means unit number 1. Okay. Yes. Anybody having doubt? Yes. Half an hour remaining here, but tell me, anybody having doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Yes. You tell me the how is your internship session in 15 days, 20 days. Yes.
Not so good, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Hello.
Hello.
Your voice is
Am I audible?
breaking. Yes. Yes. You are audible
Uh,
right now.
Okay.
Yes. Tell
Not,
me.
not that much good, ma'am. Mentorship sessions.
Okay. Okay. It's okay. It's okay for you. I will having point of view session, and then I will go for any query you are having. Ask me anytime. I will go for basic to advanced. Okay. And only completely Python programming. I will not go for any data science, machine learning, but I will completely go for Python programming. All of you learn it Python programming basic to all basic point. Then you learn it any language, any technology in 1 month or 2 months. Okay. And it's a better to go for machine learning. It is better for you because they are having the also having the opening. Okay. तुम्ही लहानापासून मोठ्यापर्यंत जावा. लक्षात ठेवा. आय एम टेल यू मराठी बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल स्टुडंट एबल टू अंडरस्टँड माय पॉइंट ऑफ व्ह्यू. ओके. फर्स्ट ओशियन मध्ये घुसायचं नाही. लक्षात ठेवा. वेदांगी ऑल ऑफ यू. आता पॉइंट काय आहे? पायथॉन प्रोग्रामिंग और एनी लँग्वेजेस. इट्स अ ग्रूमिंग लँग्वेज. नो एनी डाऊट. बट तुम्ही पायथॉन प्रोग्रामिंग परफेक्टली शिकला तरी सुद्धा तुम्हाला कोण हायर करणार नाही असं नाही. सगळेजण हायर करायला आहेत. ओके. TCS, कॅपजेमिनी और कॉग्निझंट तुमच्याकडून ऍज अ बी फ्रेशर त्यांची रिक्वायरमेंट एवढीच असते की तुम्ही बेसिक अंडरस्टँड करा. ओके. ऑल ऑफ यू नो अबाउट इट. येस. Basic understood kara. And what is data status structure? What is bubble sort? How to solve the bubble sort in coding. Yes, Google quick solve. How to solve it. तुम्हाला कोण डेटा सायन्स मशीन लर्निंग और AI चे क्वेश्चन नाही विचारणार. ते असे बेसिक क्वेश्चन विचारणार की ते तुमच्याकडून एबल टू अंडरस्टँड अँड व्हॉट इज द टेस्ट केसेस टू सॉल्व इट. ओके, इट इज इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर यू, फॉर युअर इंटरव्ह्यूअर अँड इंटरव्ह्यू अँड प्लेसमेंट. ओके वेदांगी, तुम्हाला आता डेटा सायन्स थोडा समजला, इज इट ओके, नो एनी प्रॉब्लेम. पण तुम्ही त्यामध्ये घुसत गेला तर समजणार आहे, म्हणजे तुम्ही त्यामध्ये प्रिपेअर होत गेला तर ऍज अ प्रॅक्टिस ठेवली तर. बट माझा पहिल्यांदा उद्देश काय, तुम्ही पायथॉन प्रोग्रामिंग व्यवस्थित शिका. ओके, पायथॉन प्रोग्रामिंग इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट पार्ट. त्याच्यामध्ये पायथॉन प्रोग्राम मध्ये सिंपल प्रोजेक्ट सुद्धा कसा करायचा हे तुम्ही पहिल्यांदा शिका. अँड नंतर गो फॉर मशीन लर्निंग and then go for deep learning and then go for AI. You better to go for machine learning. Machine learning developer, they're having so many options. Only Python developer, they're having so many options. Okay. And data analysis तुम्ही म्हणला तर तुम्हाला 20 ते 20 years लागतील. Okay. Go for your second in your 1 year you are having the 1 year your hand. Prepare for your interview purpose. Go for placement purpose. Okay. Atta goal ठेवला, I want to place any company, any MNC company, तरच तुम्ही ऍज अ त्याप्रमाणे प्रिपेअर करत जावा. ओके. येस वेदांगी, एनी प्रॉब्लेम? पायथॉन प्रोग्रामिंग परफेक्ट शिका, नो एनी डाऊट टू प्लेसमेंट.
Yes,
तुम्हाला
ma'am.
कोणी काही बोलणार नाही. तुम्ही पायथॉन प्रोग्रामिंग शिकला तर किंवा C++ मध्ये शिकला तर. ऍडव्हान्स मध्ये डेटा सायन्स मध्ये गेला तर तुम्हाला पण आहे, आणि नो एनी डाऊट टू लर्न एनी न्यू थिंग लर्न करायला काहीच प्रॉब्लेम नाही. पण फर्स्ट यू गो फॉर प्लेसमेंट. It is better for you. And internship, do it internship, no any problem. You have certification having, no any problem. But go for learn it whole thing in data science. It is not possible for 15 days. Okay. To learn it data science, you know, don't worry. I will go for basic to advanced. I will tell you what is data science also and machine learning also for you. Okay. And first of all, I will go for Python programming, simple Python programming project. You do it in 3rd year, mini project for Python programming. And then you go for BE, machine learning project. Okay, machine learning project. They're having so many huge points, regression, classification, and so many points, clustering also in machine learning. Okay, and don't take any tension. इंटर्नशिप केलीये पण त्यात थोडस नॉलेज आलं तर सुद्धा अजून फुलफिल झालं नाहीये. इंटर्नशिप केली, 15 दिवसाची इंटर्नशिप केली पण फुलफिलमेंट नाहीये. ओके, असं पण काही जणांचं होत असेल, फुलफिलमेंट नाहीये. ओके, इट्स ओके, यू गॉट युअर सर्टिफिकेशन. येस, बट यू हॅव गेट सम आयडिया फॉर डेटा सायन्स विदिन दी 15 days. तुम्हाला 15 दिवसात डेटा सायन्सचा थोडा तरी पॉइंट लक्षात आला असेल, मला असं वाटतं. येस, लक्षात आला असेल ना की हा काय डेटा सायन्स.
Yes, ma'am.
हा, आणि हे इम्पॉर्टंट आहे तुमच्यासाठी. काल होल डे तुम्ही होल डेटा सायन्स समजायला गेलात तर इंडस्ट्री लेवलला पण ते पॉसिबल नाही. त्या इंडस्ट्री लेवल पण ते अजून रिसर्च करतात डेटा सायन्स मध्ये. अजून ते परफेक्टली ऍज अ परफेक्टली पॉसिबल नाहीये. ते अजून रिसर्च करतात डेटा सायन्स, मशीन लर्निंग. बट समहाऊ आयडिया बिहाइंड इट, व्हॉट इज डेटा सायन्स अँड व्हॉट इज मशीन लर्निंग. ओके, आणि मशीन लर्निंग शिकला तर डेटा सायन्स काय अवघड नाही, मला नाही वाटत काही सुद्धा. तुम्ही एकदा अल्गोरिदम यूज करता आलंय तर काहीच प्रॉब्लेम नाहीये डेटा सायन्स शिकायला. पण ते अल्गोरिदम यूज करता आले पाहिजे. व्हॉट इज रिग्रेशन, व्हॉट इज क्लासिफिकेशन. येस, yes, I will stop here because of only 15 minutes are remaining. How was your session, today's session? Tell me in our first session, there are so many networking issues. I will clearly able to take care for next further session. There having no any issues in networking. Our first session having so many network issues. Sorry for inconvenience for your session. They having interrupted so many times. Sorry for it. Take it 15 minutes. Tell me any doubt in your session, because your doubt is must. Okay. I will cover only theory part and basic part, and next on for we will go for introduction to Python. And you don't take tension who completed internship also and don't complete it. Those students have don't complete any internship. I will cover it all basic part in your DYA and DYB division. Okay. And I will tell you, I will go for slowly, because all students able to do it the project only on Python. It is better to my success. I will able to know about myself, because I will completely give it 100% for you. Okay. Yes. Understood. Yes. Anybody
ma'am.
having doubt? Okay. Yes, I will tell you one idea for your mini project in this semester, in this year. Okay. If you go for Python developer, go for only Python, take it only Python language and do it any site, any project, any do it only shopping mall. If you are doing any simple one application, console application, don't worry, do it in your free time, because of it is requirement for you. I will tell you how it is database, how it is SQLite, and uh, you are able to no, you are not do learn it Android. Yes, then you don't know about SQLite. Yes. Okay. No problem. No problem. I will completely tell you. Okay, in one session. Okay, all of you. I am fast or slow. Yes. There are no any. Please. Yes. Attendance is remaining. Wait for a minute. I will take pen and paper. Hello. Hello. A division. A division. Yes. A division. Hello. A division. Vaishnavi. Amruta. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. A and B division. Start your present T. A division.
One,
1, 2, 3, 3.
4, 4,
Okay. Yes. 4, 5.
6,
5 was absent. Okay. 6,
Present, ma'am.
7,
Present, ma'am.
8,
Present, ma'am.
10, 10, 11,
Present, ma'am.
12,
Present, ma'am.
13,
Present, ma'am.
14, 14, 15, 15, 16,
Present, ma'am.
17,
Present, ma'am.
18, 18, 18, 19,
Present, ma'am.
20, 20, 21,
Present, ma'am.
22,
Present, ma'am.
23,
Present, ma'am.
24,
Present, ma'am.
25, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27,
Present, ma'am.
28, 28,
Yes, ma'am.
29,
Present, ma'am.
30, 30, 30. Okay, 31,
Present, ma'am.
32, 32. Yes, present. 33.
Present, ma'am.
Hello.
Present, ma'am. A33.
A33. Okay. 34.
Present, ma'am.
Ritika. Okay. 35.
Present, ma'am.
36.
Present, ma'am.
37.
Present, ma'am.
38. 38. 39.
Present, ma'am.
40. 40. 40. 41. Okay. 42.
Present, ma'am.
42.
Present, ma'am. Present, 42.
Okay. 43.
Present, ma'am.
45.
Present, ma'am.
46. 46. 46. 47.
Present, ma'am.
48.
Present, ma'am.
49.
Present, ma'am.
50. 50. 50. 51. Okay. 52.
Present, ma'am.
53.
Present, ma'am.
54. 54. Okay. Yes. 53. 54.
Yes, ma'am.
55. 55. 56.
Yes, ma'am.
57.
Present, ma'am.
58.
Present, ma'am.
59.
Present, ma'am.
60.
Present, ma'am.
61.
Yes, ma'am.
62. 62. 63.
63 present, ma'am.
64.
Present, ma'am.
65,
Yes, ma'am.
66, 66, 67,
Yes, ma'am. 67.
68,
Present, ma'am.
69,
Present, ma'am.
70,
Present, ma'am.
73, 71, sorry, 71,
Yes, ma'am.
72,
Present, ma'am.
73,
Present, ma'am.
74,
Present, ma'am.
75,
Yes, ma'am.
76.
Present, ma'am.
Vedangi, what is the strength of your batch? A division?
80.
80. 75, 75. Okay. 76, 76,
Present, ma'am.
77,
Present.
78,
Present, ma'am.
79,
Present, ma'am.
80.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Good one. T by A, leave this section. T by B. T by B.
Present, ma'am.
A division. 2. Roll number 2.
Yes, ma'am.
3,
Yes, ma'am.
4, 5, 5, 6,
Yes, ma'am.
7,
Yes, ma'am.
8,
Yes, ma'am.
9,
Present, ma'am.
10,
Present, ma'am.
11,
Present, ma'am.
12,
Present, ma'am.
13,
Present, ma'am.
14, 14, D14. Okay. 15,
Present, ma'am.
16,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
17,
Yes, ma'am.
18,
Present, ma'am.
19,
Present, ma'am.
20,
Present, ma'am.
21, 21, 21, 22,
Present, ma'am.
23,
Present, ma'am.
24, 24, okay, 25, 25, 25, 26,
Present, ma'am.
27,
Present, ma'am.
28, 28, 29,
Present, ma'am.
30,
Present, ma'am.
31,
Present, ma'am.
32, 32. Anisha,
Ma'am.
okay. 33,
Present, ma'am.
34,
Present, ma'am.
35,
Present, ma'am.
36, 36, 36, 37,
Present.
38,
Present, ma'am.
39, 39, 40, 40, 41, 41, 42, 42, 43,
41
40.
present, ma'am.
Okay, 42, 42, 43. Okay, 44,
Present, ma'am.
45,
Present, ma'am.
46,
Present, ma'am.
47,
Present, ma'am.
49,
Yes, ma'am.
50,
Present, ma'am.
51, 51, 51, 52. What is the strength of B division? B. What is
80.
strength? 80. Okay. 46, 47, 48,
Yes, ma'am.
49, 49, 50,
Present, ma'am.
51, 51, 52, 52,
53 present, ma'am.
53, 54.
53 present, ma'am.
Yes, okay. 53, 54 present. 55, 55, 56,
56 present, ma'am.
57, 57,
Man, 57.
58,
Present.
59,
Present, ma'am.
60, 61,
Present, ma'am.
62, 62, 63,
Present, ma'am.
64, 64,
Yes, ma'am.
65,
Present, ma'am.
66, 67, 68,
Present.
70,
Present, ma'am.
71, 71, 72, 72, 73, 74, 75. Okay. 75, 76, 77, 78,
Present, ma'am.
79, 79. Okay, 80.
Present,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. You are having good day. A good say.
Ma'am, B05 is present.
D05. Okay.
Yes.
And for B. आता सांगा कोण प्रेझेंट आहे absent लागायला नको.
A25 madam.
824.
25.
25. Okay. Yes.
826.
18.
18. Okay. Yes. Cover it. A division. B division. Roll number. I will call your roll number. Take it. 4, 14, 21, 25, 28, 36. Absent roll number. 36, 39, 40, 42, 43, 47, 51, 62, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77. Yes. Anyone present right now?
B41.
A41 present. B. Yes.
B41, ma'am.
Yes. B41 present.
B47, ma'am.
B47. Okay. Yes. Anyone student remain? Take it give it presently. Okay. Wait. Okay. We are having nice session. Good day. We are having good day. Okay. Session is over. Thank you very much. Okay. Session is over.